I'm Mr. Spelling. No, I'm not misspelling. This is my YouTube channel where I teach spelling rules. This channel is for teachers and students. And all my PowerPoint slides are available to download for free. The link is in the description below. Before we start, I should just mention, in each video there's one spelling mistake I have put in there on purpose. So if you can find the mistake, you can tell your teacher, or you can write it in the comments below. Let's get started with today's lesson. Today we are learning plural rule number 2, which says, if a word ends in CH, SH, Z, X or S, add ES to make it plural. That's our rule for today, but it might be a bit hard to remember. So I've put it in a little rhyme, and hopefully the rhyme will help you remember the rule. So here is our spelling rhyme today. It goes like this. CHSHZXS. If it's at the end, then you add ES. So that was our spelling rhyme. Now let's see if you can say it with me. After 2. 1, 2. CHSHZXS. If it's at the end, then you add ES. Now I'm going to take some of the words away and see if you can remember it with some of the words missing. Say it with me. CHSHZXS. If it's at the end, then you add ES. That is our spelling rule for today. And now it's my turn first, and I'm going to apply the spelling rule to some words. Our first word is rich, and I've coloured the end of the word because that's what we're going to be looking at to make it plural. So look at the word rich. Does it end in CHSHZXS? Yes, it does. So if it's at the end, then you add ES and rich becomes riches. The next word is buzz. Now, does it end in CHSHZXS? Yes, it does. So what do we do to make it plural? We add ES and buzz becomes buzzers. Toothbrush is the next word. It's a big long word, but we just have to look at the ending. Does it end in CHSHZXS? Yes, it does. So if it's at the end, then we add ES, so toothbrush becomes toothbrushes. Our final word is cat. And have a look at the end. Does it end in CHSHZXS? No, it doesn't. So all we do is just add an S to make it plural, so cat becomes cats. There are some exceptions to this rule. And the first exception is if the CH at the end of a word makes a K sound instead of a ch. So if I have the word stomach, yes, it ends in CH, but it's not stomach, it's stomach. It ends in a K. So if the word ends in a CH K sound, we just add S to make it plural. So stomach becomes stomachs just with one S. Same with the word monarch. Yes, it ends in CH, but the CH makes a K sound. So the plural of monarch is just monarchs with just the S, not the ES. Now the other exception are words that have irregular plurals. So I have the word fish, and even though it ends in SH, we don't add the ES to make it fishes. No, the plural of fish is just fish. There's no reason for that, it's just the English language doesn't make sense sometimes. Same if I have the word ox. Yes, it ends in an X, but we don't add EX to make it plural. The plural of ox is oxen, and that's an irregular plural. You just have to know them. There's no rule that will help you with them. There's just some words you need to know that they have an irregular plural. Now we know the exception. Here is our new rhyme with the exception included. It goes like this. CHSHZXS. If it's at the end, then you add ES. Unless the CH sounds like a K, then you just add an SOK. So that is our new rhyme with the exception included. Now it is your turn. I'm going to put some words on the board and it's your job to write the plural of these words applying our spelling rule. And if you forget our spelling rule, I've put it at the bottom of the screen. Okay, now's your chance to pause the video and write the plural of these words. The answers are: the plural of dog is dogs, the plural of rich is riches with an ES, the plural of bless is blesses with an ES, the plural of church is churches with the ES, the plural of apple is just apples with just an S, and the plural of zebra is zebras. It's your turn one more time. This time it gets a bit harder. I've got some words. You need to write the plural, but this time I've included some exceptions. But don't worry, I've put the exceptions in red, so don't apply the spelling rule to these words. Okay, your turn. Pause the video and write the plural of these words. The answers are: the plural of sandwich is sandwiches, the plural of stomach is stomachs with just one S because it's the exception, the plural of tree is trees, the plural of dress is dresses, the plural of fox is foxes, and the plural of fish is just fish. Did I trick anyone with that one? It's just one of our irregular plurals. Well, that is the end of my first video. Can you please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your teacher friends? And all my PowerPoints are available to download, so if you don't like the way I taught the lesson, you can download the PowerPoint and teach it yourself. Thank you for watching. Mr. Spelling, out.